Hello, Jim Wades here. Today we're going to take a look at the Pintsch North America Shunt Enhancer. This device is designed to mitigate problems such as rusty rail, contaminated rail surfaces, and similar problems that prevent the detection of trains in a vital track circuit. Everybody involved in railroad signaling has encountered these problems at one time or another. Short lines, seldom used locations, essentially where on-track equipment enters, say for example, a track circuit, and detection is either delayed or otherwise problematic. The device is very simple in application. A wheel sensor is mounted at the limit of the approach, actually the entry point of the approach or the track circuit. And then when wheel flanges are detected moving into the track circuit, the system provides a hard shunt across that track circuit. And it will hold that track circuit based on your requirements for a predetermined period of time, until which time perhaps sufficient on-track equipment is present to hold the shunt. The output is directional dependent. That is, the hard shunt is only provided when wheel flanges are detected moving into the track circuit. So for example, if you watch the ohm meter here, this is connected across the relay, and you can see that it is providing a hard shunt or a short essentially across the track circuit. And it will hold that shunt based on how the timer is set from approximately 1.8 seconds to 3 minutes. It's adjustable. Okay. It ignores wheel flanges exiting the track circuit. So for example, with a grade crossing, we obviously would not want to shunt the circuit on the exit approach. We only want to shunt it on the entry approach. So again, you can see here, and axles move in. Each axle resets the timer. Okay. And it will hold it until, again, sufficient on-track equipment is present to hold the shunt. Now it's important to understand this isn't a replacement for a vital track circuit, nor is it a full solution to shunting sensitivity issues, such as upgrading to an axle counting system which utilizes a virtual track circuit, but is an excellent mitigation tool for some applications in railroad signaling. The device comes with its own internal backup battery. It'll run it for 5 to 7 days in standby status. It also comes with a high-grade surge suppression device for the track circuit, and also a surge suppression device for the sensor circuit. It can be run from 120 volts AC, 12 volts DC, or if necessary, a solar package, which of course would have to be engineered for the location at which it's installed based on climate and so forth, latitude and the like. But again, a very simple solution, and the device can be mounted on a post at the limit of a track circuit, and it provides kind of what you might call a guaranteed shunt as wheel flanges or on-track equipment enters that track circuit. So a good solution perhaps for some railroads and some signal applications. If you're interested, call Pintsch North America at 618-993-8513. Thank you.